In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to Mailerlite. This is really useful if you want to share things like lead magnets, checklists, ebooks, or any kind of downloadable resource with your subscribers directly through your emails. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upload your PDF into Mailerlite so that you can easily link to it inside your campaigns or automation emails. First, go ahead and log into your Mailerlite account and open up your dashboard. From here, we're going to locate the file manager. Depending on the version of Mailerlite you're using, you'll usually find this option in the main navigation menu, often under a section like Content or Files. Take a moment to find it, and once you see File Manager, click to open it. The File Manager is where all of your uploaded media and documents live inside Mailerlite. Think of it as your personal storage space. Any PDFs, images, or other files you upload here can later be inserted into emails or landing pages without needing to upload them again. Now that you're in the File Manager, look for the Upload button. This is typically located near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Upload. When you do that, a window from your computer will pop up, allowing you to choose a file. Navigate through your folders and find the PDF you want to add. A helpful tip here is to make sure your PDF has a clear, descriptive file name before you upload it. That way, if you end up with a lot of files in Mailerlite, you'll still be able to quickly recognize which PDF is which. Once you've selected your PDF, click to confirm your choice, and Mailerlite will start uploading it. Give it a moment to finish. When the upload is complete, you should see your PDF listed in the File Manager, along with its file name and possibly a link or URL. This confirms that the file is now stored inside your Mailerlite account. From this point on, when you're creating an email campaign or setting up an automation, you'll be able to insert a link to that PDF directly from the File Manager. That means your subscribers can easily download or view the PDF just by clicking a link in your email without you needing to host it anywhere else. And that's all there is to it. Open the File Manager, click Upload, choose your PDF, and let Mailerlite handle the rest.